So there's a special sale offer, and this offer is coming from AGM. According to the details, the AGM X6 Phantom, which is AGM's latest 5G rugged phone, is currently selling for $160 on AliExpress. So for those of you that are interested in the AGM X6 Phantom, or you're looking for a 5G rugged phone that's very affordable, and of course is equipped with impressive specs and features, then I suggest that you check out this offer, guys. I'll put a link in the video description. I'll also put another link in the comment section for anyone interested. And of course, if you want to know the full details of the AGM X6 Phantom, then make sure to click on the card that appears on the top right corner of this video. I have made a video about the AGM X6 Phantom. It is one of the best feature-packed 5G rugged phones of 2024. So this is the price update that I have for you guys. And of course, this sale is a limited offer, which means it's going to be ending soon. Now is the time for you to check it out if you're interested in the AGM X6 Phantom, or you're looking for a cheap 5G rugged phone. Anyway, this is what I have for you guys. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.